Quartz. Beautifully versatile, aesthetically diverse, virtually indestructible. Elite Quartz is a manufacturer for MSI, the brand behind the most true-to-life quartz looks. MSI's world-class facility answers the call for exceptional, attainable, and domestically produced quartz. The innovative facility includes a patent-protected veining process designed to create the most natural patterns, utilizing a unique heating and cooling system. MSI's premium natural quartz is made with Luminlux Ultra, an exclusive process proven to enhance light refraction, creating the brightest white quartz in the industry. MSI brings together the best that engineering, technology, and nature have to offer to create a state-of-the-art quartz right here in America. Located in Latta, South Carolina, MSI's facility is outfitted with a stunning customer showroom, interactive innovation lab, and 4 cutting-edge manufacturing lines. At capacity, MSI's facility can produce over 1,000 slabs per day. Our team is focused on precision and quality control with the production of each slab. MSI is a family-owned company known for consistent growth, a commitment to innovation, and wide-ranging product assortment. MSI's passion for materials is underscored by ongoing investments in product development, delivery, affordability, and attentive service. MSI and Elite Quartz, making the world's most beautiful quartz more attainable.